Boy, the S&P falls for a fifth day in a row. My gosh. We have a treat today, folks. It is Thursday, and we are bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. It's a new day. We are here during standard hours, and I saw some things in the charts that I think we need to talk about. First off, let's take a look at the old S&P. Are they telling the truth here? Are they telling the truth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, I guess they are. Let's take a look at the S&P here. Zoom in a little bit here. Hang on here. Let me turn this down over here. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look. See here. Let's zoom in here on the old S&P. Let's go to the hourly here. Okay, RSIs. Yeah, the RSIs are red. Money flow just breaking into the red. Gold should be going up right now if everything else is going down. On the 30-minute, yeah, this is bearish. S&P's bearish. That's probably bearish for crypto too. Shit. Let's see here. Gold. Okay, gold's staying flat here. Let's see if we can get another little inkling here. Yeah, the RSIs are green, but not strong. These are weak. This is weak, and yeah, okay. So right now it's weak. It's Thursday. So I guess they ain't lying, and it's kind of going to be kind of an important, we got, let me see here. Yeah, I guess we're going to have to keep an eye on this. Now, Ethereum and Bitcoin. I posted something in our Discord, and I want to share it with you all as well. The 6 hour, we had a big boy green dot, and many times they mark great bottoms where there's great price action to the upside after, which there has been for, Ethereum. On this current one, the price did come up, a couple candles well. But, and is it going to look like this? Is it going to be like, oh, it's just repeat like this and rippity zippity doo-dah? Is that what it's going to be? Or is it going to be zippity doom? Duh. Die. So I pulled up Bitcoin and back tested the 6 hour BitBoy green dots. And I noticed something, that when the RSIs are red and green, when the RSIs are red on a big boy green dot, in the past, there might be a small move up, but the trend continues down. When the RSIs are green, the price goes up. And you can do it yourself. I just marked a few of them here, but you can go back, do it 100, 1,000 times. The way majority of the time, a 6 hour green dot with a red RSI, see it comes up and then, it doesn't go up on an uptrend. If there's a big green dot and a red RSI. In fact, let's do something random. Let's try a random one. Let's put it to the test here. Let's go to a random place here. I'm just going to the left here. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. Here's a 6 hour green dot, green RSI. Oh, look at that. See, damn, the price went up real damn good. See, it was green and whippy. Went up good. What about this one? Okay, this one. Here we go. Green, red RSI. This went to shit. This didn't go up at all. So, You know, and you can try it yourself, back test it yourself. So I know I was hooting. I've been hooting and hollering on Twitter. You know, I was hopeful for this Ethereum 6 hour, but yeah, looking at that Bitcoin, I don't know. You know, no, the Bitcoin is king, and so we may have one more dipperoni. You know, maybe it's just a small dip. Maybe we just revisit the local bottom before maybe continuing back up. Walmart. Let's take a look at Walmart here because they were the focus. Walmart hikes from both. So Walmart hikes bullish outlook. Okay, so Walmart says they think business is going up for them. Now, if business projections are going up for Walmart, what does that mean? Well, people go to Walmart when shit's hitting the fan. And if they think shit's hitting the fan and business going up, that's bullshit. I mean, hell. You know, we've been saying, you know, what do we have till the rest of this year? And then this is the last year of the 4-year cycle with Bitcoin. You know, this is the 4-year end cycle with Bitcoin. And the beginning of the bear run is supposed to be next year. And it's been like that every time. And there's always, you know, there are times when things are different, but man, that's a big one. That's a big one. So, you know, I closed out my longs, and it's going to be hard to if the Russian news, the Russian war stuff stops. Yeah, that'll be a pump. That's going to be a very difficult thing to time. That's going to be a tough thing to time, for sure. But yeah, just as of now, it's feeling weak. It's looking weak. Money flow coming down. RSI's red. Daily still looks good on Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin. The daily. VWAP coming up a little bit. Gates are open to the downside on the daily. On momentum. Some curvature, but it's not pinching yet. RSIs are down and red. We are at the bottom of this trend. And, you know, we could be taking, we can definitely, you know, you can take low risk longs here, and you might be right. But front running has just been murdering me over this past month. And if I'm front running, you know, I don't want to, I'm tired of front running and getting ran over. So we got to see something. I got to see something better than this to start whaling in longs. I got to see something better than this. These are weak RSIs. They're low. Momentum is low. Yep. This looks like she can drop for sure. This looks like it's going to break this little support. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then we'll see. Maybe this war stuff will end next week or in a couple weeks, and that'll be the catalyst to get back on the pony. But yeah. 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 The shorts have been murdering it. You guys who have been messaging me, who have just been killing it with the shorts, congratulations. You're a better man than me. But yeah, do some back testing. Check it out yourself. The 6 hour. The 6 hour. Big boy, bit boy, green dots in the R size. The color of the R size matter so much. So much. We got a messy chart here, but I mean, this is breaking below the spider line on this. Let's go to the 2.0s. The 2.0s have been broken already. The 2.0s have broke through already. Spider lines. I mean, this is just cruising for the 110, cruising for the next one. Shit. This is a huge gap. Oh, God. And this, when it gets in this area, it moves, man. Oh, my God. Yeah. It might be good for these, yeah. Yeah. Say less. Don't even need to say much. I don't even need to say much. No green dots on here yet. Yeah. I want the price to go up. I want the price to go up. But no matter how many times I sacrifice, it just ain't good enough to appease. It ain't good enough to appease the market. There's nothing we can do about it. So I'm sorry I've been front running and getting ran over. Yeah, it's looking weak. It's not looking bullish. So if it's not looking bullish, what is it? If it ain't looking bullish, what is it? Thank you very much, folks.